We'll guide you through how to fix an iPad that won't turn on, won't charge, and has a black screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really frustrating because you want to go and use your iPad and you can't, and of course you're probably worried that it's broken. But hopefully to help this video, we're managing to go and get it working again. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part and the fix that will go and solve it for you, as we're trying different things to hopefully go and get it working. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So what you need to do is, first of all, go and grab the charging cable and you want to go and plug it in like so. Now you just want to go and let it charge just for a minute or two, ideally longer, but I'm just going to do it for a couple seconds for the sake of this guide. And then what you need to do is go and find the top button here. And you want to just go and tap and hold that down for 5 to 10 seconds and go and see if it will then boot when it's charging, as it may just be completely off. If that still doesn't work, then the next thing we're going to try doing is a forced restart. So we can actually go and do a button combination to try and fix this. So we're going to go and press this. If we have our iPad like this, with the power button's in the top right, press this upper volume button, then the lower one, and tap and hold the top button. Now keep this held down. You may go and think nothing happening, but within around 10 to 20 seconds, the Apple icon should go and appear, as you can see, and it's now starting up. So now you can go and wait, and hopefully it's now going to go and start. Now, if you're finding that it just goes and remains black, what you want to do is you want to just go and inspect the charging port, make sure there's no dust or debris in there, make sure the cable's working, ideally test it on another device. If possible, use a different cable and then try and let it charge a bit longer, and you can try repeating those steps of doing a forced restart, and hopefully that'll then go and get it working. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.